Hello everyone. So this is a Honda 4213 mower clutch. So since the clutch plates snapped or broke when we were riding it, we're gonna be replacing that. Right now we're just gonna be taking it apart. So if you have a Honda 4213, this will help you to if your clutch, something's gone wrong with your clutch, you'll know what to do. All right, here we go. Gonna take these 3 bolts off. Alright, so when you take this off, this is gonna pop up like this because there's a spring right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these 3 springs on each side. Here's all 3 of them. Just take this off and put it to the side. Alright, now we're going to just pull this off. Make sure to not lose any of these 3 rubber washers there. And here's the actual clutch plate right here. See, there's 2 of them there. We lost 1 of them. And this is what we're going to replace. And this is the rest of the clutch. There's not much here other than these 2 steel plates. And that's how you take it apart.
So I finally have the clutch together. It took forever because I had to use these pieces of wood and the vise to hold it together because the spring is super hard. You can't push it down, and I don't want to bend the metal because it would bend it if I only put 1 in, and the other 2 are being pushed up by the spring. So we had to clamp that in, and now there's the long time of actually putting it in the lawnmower. So let's get to that. So one thing I want to point out is when you first get the clutch in here, what you want to do is, so the piece that's going to come off the back right here is, it comes off, geez, where is it? Right here. It's this. I don't know if you can see, but it comes up behind the clutch, right here. Off the back of the clutch, you need to have it lined up. It comes up through the metal right here, but it comes up right here and it just bolts into this metal right here. Just below the spring, it fits just snug. And so that's, yeah. The wheel would be right here, so that, because that's out of the way. So, yeah. So the drive shaft is now on, and now all we need to do is flip it back over and put the body back on it, and then it will be good to go. It still needs coolant and tubes for the tires, but then it will be back to normal. And that's when I realized it wasn't disengaging the clutch. So now we have to figure out why the clutch isn't disengaging, and in the end I'm surprised the transmission hasn't broken already because I rode it so much before then, and it wasn't making any grinding noises, so I really don't know why it wasn't disengaging. But that's another video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.